Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to give you 8 latest defense updates. Number 1, Rafale M superiority over Chinese J-15B and D carrier aircraft. In a revealing conversation, an Indian Navy official stated that the Rafale M, which the Indian Navy plans to acquire from France, significantly outclasses China's modernized J-15B and J-15D carrier-based combat aircraft in all combat capabilities. This assessment comes amidst ongoing evaluations of naval aviation assets and their strategic implications in the Indian Ocean region. The Rafale M, a naval variant of the renowned French Rafale fighter, is designed specifically for carrier operations and is equipped with advanced avionics, weaponry, and a robust airframe suited for the rigors of the naval combat. According to Navy officials, the J-15B and J-15D derivatives of the Soviet-era Sukhoi Su-33 will grapple with numerous inherited design issues that have not been fully resolved despite significant Chinese investment. Next, India on the brink of securing 6th-gen jet engine deal for AMCA program. India's ambitious Advanced Medium Combat Aircraft program is poised to take a significant leap forward with the expected finalization of a contract for the joint development of a 6th-generation jet engine. The French aerospace company Safran has emerged as the front-runner of this high-stakes collaboration, although both Rolls-Royce and from the UK and General Electric from the US remain keen contenders for this partnership. According to sources familiar with the matter, speaking on the occasion, said that the program is estimated to cost around $5 billion. This substantial investment will not only fund the engine's development but also cover the establishment of a local production line in India. The funds will facilitate the creation of prototypes and support extensive ground and in-flight testing phases, ensuring the engine meets the rigorous demands of the modern combat aircraft. Next, unveiling scale model of Uttam SR radar for Tejas at Aero India 2025. The Defense Research and Development Organization is set to captive audience at the upcoming Aero India 2025 with the showcases of a scale model of the Uttam active electronically scanned array radar designed specifically for integration into the Tejas Mk-I and Mk-2 programs. This event, scheduled to take place in Bengaluru, will be a significant platform for displaying India's stride in indigenous defense technology. The Uttam SR radar represents a leap forward in radar technology, offering advanced capabilities for India's light combat aircraft, the Tejas, developed by the Electronics and Radar Development Establishment, a DRDO laboratory. The radar is engineered to provide superior air-to-air, air-to-ground, and air-to-sea operational modes with features like multi-target tracking, electronic countermeasures, and low probability of intercept. The Uttam radar is poised to enhance the combat effectiveness of the Tejas fighter jet significantly. Next, concern over combat fleet, Pakistan claims air superiority back, taking Kashmir. At the 21st Subroto Mukherjee Seminar, Indian Air Force Chief Air Marshal A.P. Singh voiced his frustration over the ongoing delay in the delivery of the first 40 Tejas aircraft, despite the order being placed well over a decade ago. The comments come at a time when regional adversaries, particularly China, are rapidly enhancing their aerial warfare capabilities, with reports confirming China's recent test flight of a highly advanced sixth-generation fighter jet. The scenario has sparked discussions and reactions beyond India's border, particularly among Pakistani social media users on X, where some handles reportedly backed by Pakistan's ISI have been quick to exploit the situation. These accounts have proactively suggested that India's current state of fighter jet procurement could be an opportunity for Pakistan to initiate conflict to reclaim Kashmir, overlooking several critical strategic and economic realities. Next, Lockheed Martin delivers 110 F-35s in 2024. Lockheed Martin announced on January 6th via a social media post that it delivered 110 F-35 jets in 2024, hitting the upper limit of a revised production target. This number reflects a significant adjustment from the company's initial goal of delivering 156 jets annually, a commitment made only a few years prior. The reduction in the delivery target was primarily due to delays in certifying the Block 4 software for the newly installed technology refresh avionics system. The F-35 Joint Strike Fighter program, one of the most ambitious in military aviation history, has faced several hurdles. Among these, the certification of the TR-3 avionics upgrade, which was supposed to enhance the jet's capabilities significantly, proved to be a bottleneck. Next, strengthening Indo-Maldives defense ties. In a significant move to bolster defense relations between India and the Maldives, Indian Defense Minister Rajnath Singh and Maldives Defense Minister Mohammed Hassan Momun held pivotal talks in New Delhi on Wednesday. These discussions were aimed at infusing new vigor into the defense cooperation, with a strong emphasis on enhancing maritime security, information exchange, and the capability building of the Maldives National Defense Forces through focused training initiatives. Next, Vaghsheer, 6th Scorpionet delivered to Indian Navy. MDL created history today with the delivery of Vaghsheer 6th Scorpionet class submarine of Project 75 to Indian Navy. The acceptance documents D448 was signed by Shri Sanjeev Singhal, CMD, MDL, and our admin R. Adhi Srinivasan, CSO Tech, in the presence of senior officials from MDL and Indian Navy. Next, two-seater MCA for drone control. The Aeronautical Development Agency might be exploring the addition of a second seat to the Advanced Medium Combat Aircraft, India's ambitious 5.5 generation stealth fighter, specifically to control combat drones. This intriguing development was hinted at in a conversation where an ADA official neither confirmed nor denied the possibility of a two-seater MCA variant emerging in the future. Thank you.